You are going to love the 2015 200. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine, and comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, fog lights, power brakes, ambient lighting, braking assist. Inside you'll find airbags, front knee, cruise control, child safety locks, multifunction display, power windows, tachometer, power steering, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, 2 cargo area light. Come see the car for yourself.